Morning children, welcome to science class. Children, last class we discussed circulatory system, isn't it? So let's revise that circulatory system today once again and then we'll move on to today's topic, excretory system. Okay children, circulatory system. What is circulatory system children? What is circulatory system? In the circulatory system, blood is transported to all the parts of the body, okay, and supplies oxygen and nutrients to all the tissues and cells, isn't it? So, circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. So, heart. It is a hollow muscular organ. You know, hollow muscular organ. Hollow na unfilled space or cavity. Okay, ba? Muscular na heart is made up of fully muscles, isn't it? It is a hollow muscular organ, conical in shape, and the heart is covered by a double-walled membrane called pericardium. Double-walled membrane called pericardium. What is that membrane? Pericardium. Okay. And the space between the membrane is filled with a fluid called pericardial fluid. Pericardial fluid. Okay, children. This pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. Protects the heart from shock. Protects the heart from shock. Okay, children? Okay. Next. Children, now let's discuss structure of heart. Okay, I'll first explain without the diagram, then I'll show the diagram and explain. Okay, children? So, structure of heart. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. Okay, children? The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper part is called as atrium. Atrium or auricles. Okay, the upper chambers are called atrium or auricles. The lower chambers called thicker chamber called ventricles. Okay, and this upper and lower chamber are separated by auriculoventricular septum. They are separated by upper chamber and the lower chamber are separated by a muscular wall called auriculoventricular septum. Auriculoventricular septum. Okay, children. So, it is divided into 4 chambers. The upper chambers are called atrium. The lower chamber is called ventricles. Children, the upper chamber is called atria or auricles and the lower chamber is ventricles. See, this is right side. This is left side. Okay, right atrium, left atrium. Right ventricles, left ventricles. Okay, this right side of the heart carry deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body. எல்லா parts of the body இருந்தும் deoxygenated blood வந்து the right side part of the heart வந்து collect பண்ணி it then pumps into the lungs. Okay children. So this left side part of the heart collect oxygenated blood from the lungs. Okay. And it is distributed to all parts of the body. Understood children? Right side வந்து it carries deoxygenated blood. Left side part of the blood collects oxygenated blood from the lungs and it is distributed to all parts of the body. Okay children? See, the heart is divided into 4 chambers. Okay. The upper chamber is called as atria or auricles and the lower chambers are called ventricles. Okay. They are thicker chambers. Okay. The upper and the lower chambers are divided by a muscular tissue called auriculoventricular septum. Okay children. The right side part of the heart, it carries deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body. Okay. Then it is pumped into the lungs. Okay. For oxygenation. This right side part of the body collects oxygenated blood from the lungs and it is distributed to all parts of the body. Understood children? Okay. Next one is blood. See, blood transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones to all the parts of the body. Hormones, okay, to all the parts of the body. It regulates water level and body temperature. Okay children, it regulates water level and body temperature. Okay, the volume of blood in adult is about 4 to 5 liters. Okay children. Now the next one is blood vessels. There are blood vessel consists of arteries and veins. Blood vessel consists of arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood. Okay, arteries carry oxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. Generally, veins carry deoxygenated blood. In general, arteries carry oxygenated blood, veins carry deoxygenated blood. Except there is an artery called pulmonary artery. Okay, which carries deoxygenated blood. Usually என்ன ஆகும்னா arteries carry oxygenated blood in general except pulmonary artery. இந்த pulmonary artery மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணும்னா it carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Okay children, this pulmonary artery மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணும்னா it carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Here generally veins carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary vein which carry oxygenated blood to the heart. Generally veins வந்து deoxygenated blood தான் carry பண்ணும் except pulmonary artery. இந்த pulmonary artery மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணும்னா ஓகேவா, pulmonary vein மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணும்னா it carry oxygenated blood to the heart, then it is distributed to all parts of the body through blood. Okay, then it is pumped to all parts of the body. Okay, children. So this is the difference. So let's move on to the today's topic, excretory system. So get ready with your textbook, children.
Children, next we are going to learn excretory system. So what is excretory system? What is the function of excretory system? Excretory system removes the waste products from the body. So what is the function of excretory system? It removes the waste products from our body. It also regulates water and electrolyte balance. So this excretory system regulates water and electrolyte balance. Electrolyte அப்படின்னா சோடியம், பொட்டாசியம், கால்சியம் அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய எலக்ட்ரோலைட்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம உடம்புல இருக்கு. ஸோ அதோட பேலன்ஸ் இருந்தாதான் நம்மளுக்கு எனர்ஜி, நம்ம ஆக்டிவா இருக்க முடியும். நம்மளால நிறைய நம்ம உடம்புல ஹார்மோன்ஸ் நல்லா வந்து ஆக்டிவா இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ப்ராசஸ் இருக்கு. இன் ஹையர் கிளாஸஸ் யூ வில் ரீட் அபவுட் எலக்ட்ரோலைட். யூ ஜஸ்ட் லேர்ன் நவ் எலக்ட்ரோலைட் பேலன்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் சோடியம், பொட்டாசியம், கால்சியம் இந்த மாதிரி எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் நம்ம உடம்புல இருக்கு. அது வந்து கரெக்ட் ப்ரொபோர்ஷன்ல இருந்தா மட்டுமே நம்மளால ஆக்டிவா இருக்க முடியும், நம்ம ரொம்ப எனர்ஜெட்டிக்காவும் இருக்க முடியும். சரிங்களா? தட் இஸ் எலக்ட்ரோலைட். ஓகே, நவ் இட் ஆல்சோ regulates water and electrolyte balance. Kidneys, lungs, liver and skin together function as excretory organs. So in the excretory system la kidneys, lungs, liver and skin together function as excretory organs. Excretory system consists of the following: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder. First, let's read about kidneys. So you already know about kidney, isn't it? So it is a bag-like structure. It is bean shaped, isn't it? We have 2 kidneys. So let's see what's given in the textbook. The kidneys filter the blood to remove waste and produce urine. So what is the function of kidney? The kidneys filter the blood to remove waste and produce urine. So என்ன பண்ணுது kidneys வந்து blood filter பண்ணுது. அதுல இருக்கிற நல்ல ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்லாம் மறுபடியும் நம்ம பாடிக்கு எடுத்துட்டு போயிடும். அதுல இருக்கிற waste products மட்டும் தனியா எடுத்துட்டு produce urine. The kidneys are a pair of dark red bean-shaped organs placed behind the abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. Children, kidneys are paired, dark red in color, bean-shaped. It is behind the abdomen, that is number stomach பின்னாடி இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? So on the vertebral column, on the either side of the vertebral column, பின்னாடி நம்ம spine இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த vertebral column either sideலயும் இருக்கு. The average adult kidney measures about 12 cm in length, 6 cm in width and 3 cm in thickness. So for average adult kidney size என்னன்னா length 12 cm, width வந்து 6 cm, the thickness வந்து 3 cm. Right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. You can see here. This is the right kidney and this is the left kidney. Right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. You can see. See here. This right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Each kidney is covered by a fibrous membrane called capsule. So each kidney is covered by a fibrous membrane. வல மாதிரி ஒரு மெம்பரேன் இருக்கும், அதுல கவர் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அந்த மெம்பரேன் பேர் வந்து capsule. Each kidney is covered by a fibrous membrane called capsule. The kidneys are made up of millions of excretory units called nephrons, which are the structural and functional unit of kidneys. See, nephron is very important, which are the structural and functional unit of kidneys. Very important for the functional unit of kidneys. The kidneys are made up of millions of excretory units called nephrons. So kidney, it is made up of millions of excretory units called nephrons. So nephrons enna it acts as a filter. What happens is it filters blood. So after filtering, what happens? Theviana substance, it is returned to the body. Okay, and the unwanted waste are removed. Okay, so this is the function of this nephrons. Okay, so kidneys are made up of millions of excretory unit called nephrons. Okay, it filters the blood and it removes waste as urine. Okay, children. So this nephron or the structural and functional unit of kidneys. Which is the structural and functional unit of kidneys? Now you have to write nephrons. Very important. Nephron is very important. We'll study in detail in the higher classes, children. Okay. The second one is ureters. Two ureters connect the kidneys with the urinary bladder. Look here. See here, ureter, tube-like structure, isn't it? So this is the ureter. Two ureters from the kidney. See here, it connects to the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Okay. So urine formed here. Okay. It is passed through this ureter and it is collected in the urinary bladder. Okay, children. So two ureters connect the kidneys with the urinary bladder. Urine formed from each kidney reaches urinary bladder through ureters. So urine formed from each kidney reaches urinary bladder through ureters. So after the urine is formed, what happens? It is carried through this ureter to the urinary bladder. The next one is urinary bladder. It is sac-like in shape and acts as a temporary storage organ of urine. Urine entering the urinary bladder from the ureters slowly fill the hollow space inside the bladder. Urine is expelled from the body through the urethra. Okay, children. Now, let's see the diagram. So, these are the two kidneys, right kidney, left kidney. They are bean shaped, isn't it? Dark red. Okay, and you can see the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney, and each kidney is covered by a fibrous membrane called capsule. Okay, and the size of the kidney of an adult is measures about 12 centimeter in length, 6 centimeter in width, and the thickness is 3 centimeter. Okay, children, and the kidneys are made up of millions of excretory units called nephrons. Okay, which are the structural and functional units of kidneys. Okay, these nephrons are the structural and functional units of kidneys. Kidneys are made up of millions of excretory units. Okay, அது பேர் என்ன nephrons. இந்த nephron தான் முக்கியமான ஒரு parts the kidneyல. Okay, the nephron is responsible for the filtration of blood. Okay, it removes waste from the blood, and through this ureter, the collected urine passes to the urinary bladder. Okay, there are two ureters. So after the urine is collected in the kidney, what happens? Through this ureter, it is collected to the urinary bladder. So urinary bladder is a sac-like, and it is the temporary storage organ of urine. Okay, and the urine is expelled through this opening called urethra. Okay, children, today we learned about excretory system, isn't it? So next class, let's read nervous system, children. Okay, practice the diagram, children. Very easy one. And please read the textbook again and again. See, for every class, I am giving revision for you in order to remember what all the points is important, and you have to remember the very important names like nephrons, ureter, urinary bladder, and in other circulatory system. அதெல்லாம் வர பார்ட்ஸும் வந்து நீங்க நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். That's why I'm giving you the diagram also, so you can mark the parts and memorize the parts also. Okay, children, please practice the diagrams regularly. வீட்ல இருக்கும்போது சும்மா எடுத்து வச்சு நீங்களே வந்து வரைஞ்சு பாருங்க. Okay, it will be very helpful in the higher classes, children. See you in the next class, children.
Today we learned excretory system, isn't it? Children, miss ஏன் திருப்பியும் ரிவைஸ் பண்றேன்னா, ஏன்னா மிஸ் நேரா உங்களை பார்க்கல, உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு புரிஞ்சதுன்னு மிஸ்ஸுக்கு தெரியாது. சோ வந்து நான் கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்காக தான் திருப்பியும் உங்களுக்கு போன கிளாஸ்ல எடுத்ததும் வந்து ஐ எம் ரிவைசிங் இன் திஸ் கிளாஸ் ஆல்சோ. Okay, please time எடுத்தாலும் bear that, listen to what I am saying. Please understand what is circulatory system, what is excretory system. இதெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. It will be easy for you in higher standards. இப்பவே you can able to understand, it will be easy for you to learn in higher standards, children. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.